You can expect a lot from the 2011 Honda Civic Coupe. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.